Hey there, and welcome to my channel. My name is Jamie Hammond, and this is Speak, Grow, Rise, where I help seekers like you identify, allow, and transform into living the life they want. Meditation has been a huge part of my personal transformation journey because it's helped me connect with myself, identify my feelings and fears, and practice non-judgement. It's also why meditation is a part of my Ignite Your Life program. If you enjoy this meditation, please be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that bell button so that you never miss another Speak, Grow, Rise video or meditation again. Enjoy this meditation. Hello, and welcome to this Speak, Grow, Rise meditation to practice mindfulness. In this session, we'll be practicing an introduction to meditation. Find a spot where you can be still and undisturbed for 10 minutes. Take a seat on a cushion or chair. Keep your back in an upright position, but not stiff. Keep your feet flat on the floor, cross your legs, or do whatever is comfortable for you. Bring your hands to your knees, your lap, or wherever else they feel comfortable. There are no rules here, as long as you can hold this position for the next few minutes comfortably. Now bring a soft smile to the lips, allowing yourself to feel a little bit of happiness and positivity as we take a moment to focus inward. And now let's take a moment to focus on our breathing. We're going to inhale for 4 counts, hold for 5 counts, and exhale for 6 counts. Try focusing on the counting. All right, let's try that. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do that 3 more times. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep focusing on the counting. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take a deep breath in. And allow yourself to relax deeper as you exhale. Now allow your breathing to return to normal. Let's take a moment to sit here and just focus on the breathing. Act as if you're chasing the breath, following the breath. As you inhale, try following the breath until the small moment when the inhale turns into an exhale. And as you exhale, keep following the breath until the small moment when the exhale turns into an inhale. Try this now. Now you may notice that your mind drifts off while you're breathing, and that's perfectly normal. Often, people feel that if they're thinking or if their mind is drifting off, that they're not meditating correctly. But instead, that's just part of the practice, especially if you're only introducing your body to meditation. Instead of judging the thoughts, practice gently guiding your awareness away from your thoughts and back to the breath. So when you notice a thought, notice the thought and allow it to drift away like a balloon, and gently shepherd your mind back to the breath. Your breath is home base. If you begin to drift away, just come back home. You may notice yourself getting judgmental with your thoughts, or maybe getting frustrated with yourself. So let's try just kindly noticing the thought. Allow it to pass through your mind and away again like a balloon. You can even imagine it with a string tied to it as it drifts away. And then gently ease your focus back to the breath. And the key word there is gently, as in without judgment or condemnation. You can even try naming the thought when you notice one by saying thought, 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 and then just gently return back home to the breath. As you inhale, consider where you feel the breath most. Do you feel it in your belly, in the nostrils, below the nose? Keep your focus on wherever you feel the inhale and the exhale. Continue staying here with the breath for just a few more moments. Take one last deep breath in, then out, and then feel free to release your focus from the breath. While you were breathing, you may have noticed your mind drifting off. The mind drifting off here is no different from thoughts during the day. And as we practice meditation, we practice mindfulness, or the state of awareness. And by awareness or mindfulness, I mean an awareness of the thoughts that come in, the feelings that we may have, where we feel the breathing inside the body. We become more attuned to what's happening in the moment and in our bodies. This can help us during the day. It can help us in a number of ways, but there is no right way to meditate. Instead, we just practice to deepen our awareness of our thoughts. Becoming aware of our thoughts as they are and when they come without judgment, and allowing them to fall away will help us in a variety of areas, including decreasing stress, regulating emotions, limiting anxiety, and soothing depression. This awareness deepens through practice, and practice will deepen that mindfulness. Meditation may never be a perfect experience, but you can continue practicing and connecting with the self more and more each time that you come to your chair or your mat. As we come to the end of the session, begin opening your awareness back up to the room. Feel the weight of your body on your seat. Start feeling and wiggling your fingers and your toes. Start listening to the sounds of the room again. Maybe you notice the temperature on your body. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. Take a moment to notice how you feel and bring this soothed energy into the rest of your day. Thanks so much. I hope you enjoyed that. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell button so that you never miss another Speak, Grow, Rise video or meditation again. I'll see you in the next video.